Do you think this is enough to roll?
Yeah. If you're happy with that.
Okay. Because that's enough. Now dolphin, go. That worked. It worked. I think so. Nope, it didn't. Oh, goodness. Oh, true. Good. Sorry. Okay. So guys, it's a chicken turn, but I made a giraffe, an elephant, a rabbit, a cow, and a duck so far. Then second is dolphin. After me it that big. High, I mean. But that should be long. What's bits? Actually, it's kind of like magic. I know. 6. Just gonna turn my fingers, mommy, now. There. I'm going to wash my hands after. Okay, now I'll try it. Okay. Just a big bit. No. Okay. What's in the center? But after this, I'm going to wash my hands off. Oh goodness. Come on. Doesn't work.
It works. Look.
I don't want to use those ones.
I'm just showing you what you should do.
Okay.
I mean, that's how. You don't have to. You just press it and take out the.
Okay.
Take out the.
That's. I just had. Oh yeah, circle. Good circle.
Wait.
No.
Wait, Baba.
Sorry. I just want to get things out. Okay. I don't know what that is. See? Well, what's that?
I'm not sure.
Yes. What is this?
Where's the cutter? I think it's this one.
It doesn't look like it.
What's this one? Bunny?
Yeah, but the one that you did it didn't look like it. What's the roller?
Okay.
Can you help me roll, mommy?
No, sir. It's your game.
It's not a game.
It's your show. It's not a show.
Can you at least help?
It's your video.
This might be the longest video, but not yet tonight. But it can get to the longest, at least close to.
It's your video. It's your video. It's your video. It's your video. It's your video.
That's enough. We put this. Okay, now try. So I put it in, then push it this down, right? So
Yeah, push it down, take out the. Yeah, take out the. It's too much. Yeah, anyway, try to take out the cover. That's it. You did 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 it.
after this, you will see this for the finger. Just one more. This one more. This is the last one. It's a butterfly, I think. I did it again.
You see? I told you it's easier. It's easier, easier, easier.
Here, one more. Here. Huh? Now what do you want to do? Okay. I'm gonna make some boats, I guess, maybe. You know what to make that, this, that. I just need to roll it again. But anyways, sorry is because I haven't talked that much. I guess I'm focusing a lot. Okay.
What's the idea? I'm gonna call these people guys.
Come on. Oh, it's not working. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna try to mix in some color. See what happens. No, I'm trying to make some colors.
Can I make some what?
I'm trying to mix.
Okay.
It's working. Wait, you put them all back in there?
Yeah, so that they don't get dry.
Okay. That's so cute to mix color in red.
Don't mix too much color so that in case you don't like it, don't mix too.
Like
Don't
mix
cut
the
too
big
big.
ones.
Yes, you got it.
I only did tiny.
Just mix the enough you need.
Okay, I think it's time to make a pizza. Mommy, can you calm my meaty for a second?
Can I help you?
Help me, please.
I need to cook, Baba.
Oh, so can you show the viewers the these?
Yeah,
The animals, show them, please.
they see it. Let me zoom in.
Okay. This is the giraffe, elephant, rabbit, what
I
is
think
it? Cow,
it's cow.
duck, dolphin,
A butterfly.
butterfly, just a circle, and horse, I think. Horse or dog, one of them.
No, I think it's a. Oh, yeah, dog. Looks like. Why is it? Why is it quarter? This quarter here. You go
Look.
to the house, George.
I was what?
Yep.
Yeah. I'm trying to put spoon. Hmm.
Can you use your knife?
Oh, I'm so sorry. It might get my nails actually. Something to stick in. Yeah. I know this knife can cut through anything.
You can't cut anything.
Well, I'm just joking. I think wait. What if I were actually wait? What? Can I actually use it?
Mm-hmm.
Clean. No, it's the dog trying to take over my knife. No, I won't finish it. No, no, no. No. And now the knife is sleeping. And it's a coma. No, the dog's gonna take over. Now it's gonna be story time. Nah, I'm just joking. The knife is dead. When swallowed. Smaller. Save the big knife. You only got two. No! Got to take it out. Take it out. And look at it's gone. See, it's gone. Huh. I'm not too worried. I'm not joking, I was worried. Doesn't speed up. Wait, okay. One eye is the eye. It's the eye of death. Sorry guys. Just a shortcut. The camera off. But we're back. So what's I gonna do? Oh, we've got the eye of death. Oh gosh. Tiny pizza. Well, if I were to make a pizza, it'd have to be of the same color. Well, I'm gonna start now. Order the pizza. Circle. Right.